Hey guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Sevens. Sevens, also known as Fan 10, is a gambling card game with combinations that is very similar to the card game called Nines. So if you're able to play Nines, then it's very easy for you to understand Sevens. So yeah. The game is using a regular deck of 52 cards from two choices without jokers, and an equal amount of items for each player such as poker chips, but if you're not having poker chips, then you can use any amount of basically any other amount of items you will find in your house. So yeah. The rank of cards is Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King, which means that Ace is the lowest card while King is the highest. The amount of players is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. The objective is getting a certain amount of chip. The object of the game is getting the highest amount of chips. So yeah. Deal. Each player. So basically, oh yeah. For the deal, each player is putting one one chip into the area called the pot, and basically, and it's called ante. So yeah. Then the dealer gives every card from the deck with one card at a time, and starting with the second round, the player that goes next clockwise becomes the dealer. Some players will get more cards than others sometimes, but that is okay. You can play in that way, but you can remove some cards if you want. I actually removed Ace of Spades, so yeah. Oh yeah. Then the dealings and the gameplay begins. Alright, gameplay. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer goes first, and they must put one of the sevens as the first card. Then all the then each player must put sevens in a different suit or cards that are or basically the next or previous card, basically the card with the next or previous rank, based on the cards from the surface. For example, next player must put a six of diamonds or eight of diamonds near the seven of diamonds, because six is the previous card, while basically six goes before seven, while eight goes after the seven. So yeah. So oh yeah, and everyone is going clockwise. So yeah. If you can't put cards, basically your hand has no sevens or next, basically any basically zero cards with the previous or next rank, then you must put one chip into the pot and skip your turn. So yeah, the round basically the round with the gameplay ends after at least one player getting rid of all of their cards. Each opponent gives their chips based on the on the amount of cards left. And the winner of the round, which is the player that got rid of all of their cards, gets all of those chips with the ante. So yeah. Then the next round begins. The game goes until basically goes until each player basically sorry. The game goes until a certain amount of rounds. The owner of the highest amount of chips wins, while each opponent of that player loses. So yeah. Alright, sorry for the long pause. I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video. Hope you now know how to play 7 and since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.